In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload 4K video or high quality video on TikTok. So first, you can see I need to open TikTok. Okay, now I need to going on profile. Then I can click on this three dot menu. Again, I need to click on setting and privacy. There must be sure is data saver currently turned off. If you have a turn on, you need to just click on turn off. That's it. Now go back. Now click on the plus icon. Then select your video first. Which one you want upload. So first, if I'm going on my gallery, then click open this video. Then going, you can see it's a 4K video, UHD 4K UHD video. So make sure your video are high quality. Then I select this video. Then click on the next icon. Again, if you want to add sound, so I make this video only for example purpose. Then click on the next. Now here I type your title. If you want to add links, I don't need, I skip this option. Then now click on the more option. Then make sure allow high quality uploads. Currently it's, if you have a turn off, you need to just turn on this. Okay, now go back. Then click on the post. That's it. So this is a method how you can upload high quality or 4K video on TikTok.